trying to get the little squeaker out. He's ripped a hole in the back, and he's desperately trying to find the squeaker inside of the toy. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna get it. Get it. Get it. Where's the squeaker at? He's tearing up this little elephant. I feel bad for him. For the elephant, not the dog. I think he's pretty happy. Get the squeaker inside. Where is it? Oh shit. Get it. You find it? Get the squeaker. Where is it? Did you get it? You got it. Yay! You got the squeaker. Let's see it. Let's see it. You got the squeaker. Hooray for Pookie! Slaughtered the poor little elephant and got the squeaker, which is the goal, I think. Did you get it, Pooks? He'll play with it all day. Hopefully he doesn't choke on it. If he does, we're suing. Pookie, say hi to the people. Say hi. You got... I think he inhaled some of the stuffing. Good job, Pookie.